Hello there and thank you for servicing with us. If you're receiving this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from an oil change. Maintaining a vehicle involves various tasks, but one of the most crucial is regularly changing the oil and filter. This routine service is vital for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Whether you're driving a brand new model or an older vehicle, understanding the importance of an oil and filter change can save you from costly repairs and ensure a smooth driving experience. Engine oil plays several critical roles in your vehicle's operation. Lubrication. It lubricates the moving components of the engine, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. Cooling. Oil helps dissipate heat generated by the engine, preventing overheating. Cleaning. It carries away dirt, debris, and microscopic metal particles, keeping the engine clean. Protection. Oil creates a protective film over engine parts, shielding them from corrosion and damage. Why regular oil changes matter. Engine efficiency. Fresh oil ensures that your engine operates smoothly and efficiently. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective at lubricating and protecting engine components, preventing sludge buildup. As oil degrades, it can turn into sludge, clogging engine passages and leading to poor performance or even engine failure. Fuel economy. Clean oil reduces engine friction, which can improve fuel efficiency. Dirty oil forces the engine to work harder, consuming more fuel. Extended engine life. Regular oil changes reduce the strain on your engine, extending its life and reducing the likelihood of costly repairs. When to get your oil changed? Well, it does vary from manufacturer to manufacturer and from oil type to oil type. Generally every 6 months or every 6,000 to 10,000 kilometers is ideal for most manufacturers. Regular oil and filter changes are a simple yet effective way to maintain your vehicle's health and performance. By keeping up with these essential maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably for years to come. Let us know if you'd like us to start this service for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and we'll do our best to get them answered promptly. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.